Hi everyone, welcome this week. And yes, I'm in the forest at night while it's snowing. We did get 80 degrees and sunny for like 4 days, and we're back to winter today. Life in Wisconsin is always a joy, always different. But I hope you enjoy this week's episode. And this is Spring Life in Wisconsin, even though it doesn't look like it. Thank you all, I love you all, and I hope you enjoy the episode. Bye. Hi everyone. I hope you're enjoying the Wisconsin River here in Wisconsin Dells. And I'm doing a lot of that this week, the Wisconsin River, because it's been beautiful summer type weather and we had to take advantage of it because in 2 days, meaning Sunday, we're supposed to get snow. So life in Wisconsin, it's always changing. If you don't like the weather, just wait a day, something completely different. So as you see over my shoulder here, this is Sunset Cove over here, and this is where they have piers and lots of boats and places where people rent these out during season. And it's beautiful here. It's quiet. There's so many eagles and hawks flying around. You see the several boats, a boat over here to your right, a couple over here on the left. There are boat tours usually don't start until May. Well, we're in the middle of April, so we got like a 2-week head start. It's absolutely gorgeous here, and I hope you enjoy the scenery. What are you guys doing? Huh?
Angel, are you taking your dog for a walk?
Where'd the deer go?
He's behind the food right now. He's
Behind the
gonna come
pine
up to
tree?
it. Yep, he's about to come up to the food.
Oh, come on, dear.
He's eating the bird
Off
seed.
the bird seed. Boy, she or he must be hungry, huh? She is at a doe?
Yep.
Oh, I'm sorry, hon. I'll try, everybody, I'll try to zoom in with this on the editing program. And I literally just took off the zoom lens off this camera. I think it's time to have 2 cameras ready to go, don't you? Oh, here comes another deer. That looks like a fawn. I think a fawn from last year, huh? But last year where there was 1, there was 3.
Hold on. I think there's snow on the damn camera lens. Okay, oh, I got it. Okay.
Well, I hope you enjoyed this week's episode, everybody. It was a lot of summer weather and then a sudden snowstorm. So life in Wisconsin is always a joy. There's always something going on different with the weather. So I love you all. Be well, be safe, be healthy, and I'll see you next week. Mwah. Love and kisses to you all. Bye. I hope you enjoyed this week's episode. We try to make it different every week, and we really appreciate you staying to the end if you're watching this. Now, it's a shameless plug, but we're plugging our Etsy shop. We are making custom artist-type design mugs in 15 ounce and 11 ounce, and they're made like this. And if you can see the design at all, absolutely beautiful. Looks like an artist painted it on the mug. So all of our Etsy sales go towards supporting our channel on YouTube. So if you like our content and you subscribe, please purchase a mug and help support our channel and allow us to continue to bring you content and each week get better and more fun. Okay, thank you all. I love you all. You guys are fantastic. Be well, be healthy. Sending you love and happiness. Bye. Oh, by the way, the link is down below for Muggin' It on Etsy, our Etsy shop. Again, it's called Muggin' It. It's all one word, and the link will be down in the description. Thank you, everybody. Be well. Bye. Everyone, if you like our content, please consider buying a mug from us at our Etsy shop. This is a YouTube like and subscribe mug, and it could help your channel, and also it supports ours. So thank you, and we appreciate you. Bye.